So today's video is going to be on my lawnmower and all the stuff that I did to it. It's going to be a little update. First thing I did to it was I repainted it. I painted it red. I painted the wheels, and I painted the shroud, and also I put a new shut-off switch right here. And yeah, and I underneath the bottom, I sprayed that underguard stuff or whatever, that underguard paint stuff underneath. And then today I just got a new blade, because the other one was a 21 inch, and I bought the 22 inch. So now it should cut a lot better. And one other thing, it idles kind of low, and there's no screw to adjust it. No screw around the throttle. So I was wondering how you adjust that. And I also put a gas shut-off valve over here, because sometimes the carb leaks and I don't want to get all the gas on the body. It's painted. Don't want to ruin the paint. Yeah, well, we'll fire it up for you guys, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like. Turn on the gas. Pump the living shit out of it. Okay, turn it on. I think maybe the switch is white. One other update, I fixed my weed eater. I adjusted the carb the way I wanted it to be adjusted. I made two little lines with the grinder, and now she runs pretty good. Here, I'll fire it up for you guys, and let you hear how it sounds. Had a hard time starting it because there's no gas in here. Gotta put some gas in it. And yeah, so thanks for watching.